It's the cloth.
He doesn't know what that is, Dad.
See that blue thing right there? Go pull it.
Wait, Gussie, wait. Come here, wait. Travis, get on the ball.
Hey, Aug. Go pull it.
Dad, I'm waiting on Travis. Okay, go, buddy, go.
Go! You can do it, buddy.
Now you passed it, you passed it. And he's like, I'm
Aug,
going
it's
to
right
the
there.
field.
Pull that. Pull it.
Gave me a bag?
Yeah.
Pull it off.
Up.
Oh, it's stuck.
Other way. Here.
I'm not letting him do it.
Here.
Shut in.
Oh my gosh. Reminds me of my car. Or my truck. That was little.
What is it?
What is it? That's for you.
Auggie, give Granddaddy a big hug.
I think Matt would
Yay!
love standing on the
Mommy
edge.
and Granddaddy got you tractor just like
Push
his.
down
I
with your
think
foot.
Matt
right
would
there.
love standing on the
Push
sides
down.
of this and just going.
Back up.
Push down with your foot right there. Push this foot down.
Pedal.
Whoa!
Push
Oh
down.
god. Push it down, Augie.
Push your foot down.
Augie, do
Hey,
this.
stop.
Push it down. Nightmares have begun.
You can keep going. Keep going.
Matt, I can see you definitely riding this.
Push.
Always push.
Push.
Go. Gotta push your foot.
Oh God, should I move my car?
I think it's still good.
Push your foot down.
Oh, that's
Wow,
perfect.
cool.
Molly's scared.
Cool.
Can you turn? You turn the steering wheel, it'll turn around.
Molly, be careful.
Watch out, Molly.
But you can run over the grass. Run over the grass.
Do the lights work? Or are they
It has a radio.
I know.
what?
Wait a minute. Let's turn your radio on. Hold on. Hold on.
Everybody needs a radio on their tractor.
Oh, yeah.
Did you put batteries in it, Don?
How are you gonna hear it? Is the question.
Does it say? Wait, I think my tractor's like.
Got our big green tractor.
Yeah. The stickers coming off the back already.
On the right station.
On the right station.
Here, bud.
Push your foot down. Go, buddy. Push it down.
Move the car.
Watch, don't run into Ellen's car.
No, he doesn't.
What's he gonna push? Push it down.
There you go.
Go! Hold it down. Hold it down.
It's gonna need a neck brace.
These are my styles.
Get him a Hanzo life.
How's that not burning your butt, man? Hold it down.
What?
Go.
He's trying to put it in high gear.